become
had
something
a short
very
life,
special.
but left quite a
The
mark.
48
Cue the
Tucker.
video.
Preston Tucker's automobile company, the Tucker Corporation of Chicago, built only 51 of its 3-headlight rear-engine torpedoes. The word Tucker represents innovation with a rear-mounted engine, independent suspension, and revolutionary safety features, including padded dashboard, seat belts front and rear, the driver's seat in the middle of the car, 4-wheel disc brakes, and a pop-out windshield. One of those 51 American classics is being offered here for the first time in a decade.
All right, there it is, beautifully restored. We've sold
say,
3
get
of
in,
this,
sit down,
of
shut up,
these
and
over
hold
the
on.
years. Last one was at the Peterson Automotive Museum.
This is the one
Everyone
you've
we
had
sold
your
has
eye
gone
on.
into a museum. There is not another one available on the market
Questions
in
are
the
about
world.
to be answered.
Spanky, let's see what this brings.
Well, Alex Tremulous was the designer, and he deserves equally as much credit as Preston Tucker for bringing this car to America. It was way, way ahead of its time.
These cars were assembled in Michigan in a plant that was initially built by Chrysler to build B-29 engines for World War II. After Tucker's tenure there, it was taken over by the Tootsie Roll Company, and to this day they make dots, gumdrops, in the structure where these were once assembled.
Cars for sale, you're bidding to buy it.
Reserve has been met or pulled, and this car is loose and selling. Goodbye, $2 million.
Now the crowd's getting behind it. Is that gentleman in the hat looking at another 7-figure purchase? Top seller of the auction.
Told ya.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a rare opportunity again, Steve.
George
A great,
Lucas, who
great
made the
car.
movie Tucker,
Absolutely. Where are you
telling
gonna
the
buy
Tucker
another, but you'll
story,
never buy
starring
another
Jeff
one. They came
Bridges,
out of Ron Pratte's museum. This is the
two of
quality.
these
This is
cars.
the type of cars he buys. He
And
buys
there's
them,
one
he
in a
makes them
collection in
better,
my
he gets
hometown of
tired
Atlanta,
them, he moves
Georgia,
them
and
down
I've
the
ridden
road,
in it.
You can be the beneficiary. Opportunity.
They
The
are
best
very
Tucker in the
smooth
world, in my
cars.
opinion, Spanky.
And boy, do you turn heads.
I am weak just looking at that thing.
If you like Tuckers, you can log on to the computer, and the Tucker Club has an active website led by Natalie Kochmar out of New Jersey. But every month, new articles about Tuckers, and they're keeping the mark alive.
What do you want to do? I don't have that long. My throat's gone. 2 million 7, 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 2 million 7 and a half. Sold the car for $2,650,000. Congratulations. Give it a applause, ladies and gentlemen. That's magic. Thank you, Ron Pratte, for bringing such an incredible car, and congratulations to the new owner. One of the best around.
Ron Pratte, who owned it and consigned it, and that gentleman, there are going to be some heavily laden transporters headed to wherever he keeps his cars.
He's a pen collector.
Boy, I guess.
Look at that pocket.
Yeah. Cars are a bonus. He's got a lifetime supply of pens.
Under the hood was an early muscle car.